Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to solve next questions from scale chapter in Keith Williams. Keith Williams General Navigation book. In my previous lecture, I solved the first 5 questions. In this lecture, I am going to solve the next 5 questions, question 6 to question number 10. So let's start with question number 6. On a direct Mercator projection at latitude 45 degree, a certain length represents 70 nautical miles. At latitude 30° north, the same length represents approximately what value? So here they have given us information about two different latitudes. First, at latitude 45° north, certain chart distance is equal to an earth distance of 70 nautical miles. At a different latitude of 30° north, chart distance, the same chart distance will be equivalent to how much earth distance? We have to find that out. Okay. So at 45° north latitude, a certain chart distance is equal to an earth distance of 70 miles. We have to find at 30° north latitude, the same chart distance will be equal to how many earth distance? Now there is a direct formula here. Distance A divided by distance B equals to cos A by cos B, where letter A stands for 45, the A stands for this first piece of information, B stands for the next information. Okay, now how we have derived, how to derive this formula? I will show you this once for this particular question. Then from the next question onward, if there is a similar question like this, we will directly use this formula and substitute the values, get the answer. But I'll just show you how to find or how to derive this formula. Now there is latitude 45° north. So scale for this particular latitude, that is scale at 45° north, will be equal to chart distance upon earth distance, right? Chart distance, let's say, is x. Earth distance is 70 nautical mile. Scale at 30° north is equal to chart distance upon earth distance. Chart distance is how much? We do not know. It's the same for both the latitudes. The chart distance is the same. So chart distance, earth distance is what we have to find out for this particular latitude. Now in both cases the chart distance is the same. So what we will do is we will keep chart distance on left hand side and bring other variables to the right hand side. So chart distance equals to scale at 45° north multiplied by 70. Chart distance equal to scale multiplied by 70. Similarly here, chart distance equal to scale at 30° north multiplied by some earth distance which we have to find out. Now we all know if left hand side is equal, chart distance, right hand sides also become equal automatically. Therefore, what do we have? So scale at 45 north into 70 equals to scale at 30 north into earth distance. Okay, so left hand side equal, so right hand sides will also be equal. Now we do not know the scale at 45 north, we do not know the scale at 30 north, so it will be impossible to find out earth distance. Let's name this step number 1. Now there is another formula that we checked in the previous video lecture. Scale at equator is equal to scale at any latitude into cos of that latitude. So scale at 45 degree north, scale at 45 degree north will be written like this. Scale at equator equals to scale at 45 north into cos 45. Similarly, scale at 30 north will be written as scale at equator equals to scale at 30 into cos 30. Now again in this case also left hand side is equal. Scale at equator is equal to scale at this equator. So left hand side is equal, right hand side will also be equal. Therefore, scale at 45 into cos 45 equals to scale at 30 into cos 30. Okay. Now, yeah. Scale at 45 is what? Chart distance upon earth distance at 45 degree north latitude into cos 45. Scale at 30 will be how much? Chart distance upon earth distance divided by 30 of 30 degree north latitude into cos 30. Now chart distance in both cases is the same. So chart distance will get cancelled. Now we are left with cos 45 divided by earth distance at 45 degree latitude equals to cos 30 divided by earth distance at 30 degree latitude. Again cross multiply. Earth distance at 45 divided by earth distance at 30. Earth distance at 45 divided by earth distance at 30 equals to cos 45 divided by cos 30. Okay, so this is nothing but this formula. Distance A upon distance B. Nothing but distance A upon distance B equals to cos A upon cos B. So cos A cos B. Now substitute the values. Earth distance. Earth distance is how much? Earth distance at 45 is 70 nautical miles. 70 divided by x, that is what we have to find out. Cos 45 is equal to 0.7. Cos 30 is equal to 0.9. So x equals to 70 into 0.9 by zero point 0.7. So 70 into 0.9 divided by 0.7 is 90. So earth distance at 30 degree north latitude is equal to 90 nautical miles. So correct option is delta. Simple. Next. At 60 degree north latitude, the scale is given. What is the scale at the equator? Again, a formula based question. Scale at equator is always equal to scale at particular latitude into cos of that latitude. So scale at 60 north is 1 divided by this into cos 60, and now we will find out scale at equator. Cos 60 is half, so 1 divided by 330 lakh into half. So that is equivalent to this. So scale at equator equals to 60 lakhs. So option delta is the correct option. Next, question 8. What is the chart distance between two longitudes on a Mercator chart with a scale of so and so at the equator? So we have been given scale. The latitude is 0 degree north south. Now we have to find out chart distance. Earth distance is not given to us directly, but we have been given this coordinates, and with the help of this we can find out Earth distance, nothing but a rhumb line distance. So let's draw the diagram for rhumb line. North, you are looking at the Earth from the North Pole, 0, 180 east, west, 90 east, 90 west. Now the first coordinate is 179 east. 179 east. Second coordinate is 175 west. Okay. Now Earth distance equals to rhumb line distance equals to d long into cos lat. What is d long? Difference between these two longitudes. So 5 plus 1, that is 6 degree, into 60 to convert that into minutes, into cos of latitude is equator, cos 0. So 3, 6, 6 is a 36, 0. Cos 0 is 1. So Earth distance is 360 nautical mile. Now utilize the scale formula. Scale formula is chart distance upon Earth distance. We have to find out chart distance. Therefore, chart distance will be equal to Earth distance into scale. Earth distance is 360 miles. Scale is 50 lakhs. So 360 divided by this is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 nautical miles. So chart distance is this much. We have to convert this nautical mile into corresponding centimeter or millimeter. So let's first convert this into centimeter. That will be equal to 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 1852 meter, nautical mile into meter. Then centimeter is 100 centimeter. So 7.2 into 1852 is 13,334 into 10 raised to minus 3 centimeter. That is equal to 13.334 centimeter. So we do not have this option. 13.334 is not there. We have 113 centimeter, but not 13 centimeter. Okay, so let's convert this into millimeter now. Now to convert chart distance, this nautical mile into millimeter, what you will do is, procedure is the same. 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 nautical mile into 1852 meter. Now for centimeter we multiply 100. For millimeter you multiply 1000. 10 raised to 3. 7.2 into 1852 is 13,334. Multiply by 10 raised to minus 2 millimeter. So 13. So final answer will be 133.34 millimeter. approximately 133 millimeter. So correct option will be option A. Okay, for centimeter multiply by 100, for millimeter multiply by 1000, 10 raised to 3. Question 9. At 47 north, the chart distance between two meridians is 5 inches. The scale of the chart at this particular latitude is approximately how much? So chart distance is 5 inch. Earth distance is nothing but your line distance. Let's find that out. So this is your north direction. There are two meridians 10 degree apart. So let's say this is one meridian, this is the second meridian. The D long is 10 degree. The latitude is 47 north. So what will be the line distance? Line distance will be D long in minutes into cos lat. So 10 degree into 60 into cos 47, that is 600 into cos 47 is 409 nautical miles. So now scale will be equal to chart distance upon earth distance 5 inch divided by 409 nautical mile. So 5 inch 409 into 1852 meter into 100 centimeter. Now convert centimeter into inch, you will have to divide by 2.54. 2.54, right? So this divided by 2.54. So 2.54 will go in the numerator. Now the final answer will be in inches. So scale will be equal to 5 into 2.54, 12.7 divided by 409 into 1852 into 100, 75, 746, 800. Scale will be equal to dividing numerator and denominator by 12.7. So 1 divided by 5964315. 59,64,350. So the closest value to that will be 60 lakhs. Option Bravo. Okay, option Bravo. Next, question number 10. How many nautical miles and scale is 1 divided by 20 lakhs. So chart distance is 12 centimeter and scale is 1 divided by 20 lakhs. So earth distance will be equal to 12 centimeter into 20 lakhs. So earth distance will be 10 raised to 6 centimeter. Now convert centimeter into nautical miles. What you will have to do to convert nautical mile into centimeter, we multiplied 1852 into 100. Now to do the reverse, centimeter into nautical mile, you divide. Okay, so earth distance will be equal to 24 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 1852 into 10 raised to 2. So 24 divided by 1852 is 0.01295 to 10 raised to 4 nautical miles, that is equal to, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 129.5 nautical miles. So approximately option A, 130 nautical miles. Okay. The answer in centimeter is 24 into 10 raised to 6, not 130. Okay, so the correct option will be option A, 130 nautical miles. With this question, we will stop here. I will do the next 5 questions in the next video lecture. I hope you have understood the 5 questions I have done and explained in this lecture. I also suggest if you have not practiced the first 5 questions I did in the previous video lecture, do them today itself and then watch my next video lecture in which I'll solve question 11 to question 15. I wish you all the best. Take care and don't forget to share this video with your friends who can also practice these questions with me. See you next time.